Okay, namhlanje i-Monday, ngiyathemba nonke ni-right. Namhlanje ngizokwenza i-breakdown ye-trade engiyithathile namhlanje. So ngithathe i-trade ye-one and iye ku-stop, yabona. So and then the rest bengiyimele the whole day ayiyenzanga. So sometimes vele kuzoyenzeka bafethu ukuthi uzochila nje ungana-trade, ungana-setup. Yani ungawari mfethu, tomorrow is still another day. Ungawari, whoever you are watching this, ungawari. Kusasa elinye ilanga, there's no need ukuthi uforce i-trade la kungana-trade khona, yabona. So athi ngivele ngichaze fast. Ngiqale ku-weekly time frame, yabona. Weekly time frame ngabona ukuthi okay, ama-candle avala phezu each other, yabona. So ngavele ngabona ukuthi alright, ngizoyenzani, ngizothatha i-trade and ngizoyenza i-bullish bias kanjalo, yabona. So ngivele ngabona ukuthi futhi nakhona i-weekly gap le i-price ingathepha khona before iya phezulu, yabona, because yabona ngidrowe ama-draw on liquidity la, yabona, la bengicanga ukuthi i-price izoya khona. So ngaceda ngayenzani, ngaya ngaya ku-daily time frame, nakhona ngathola i-order block, mara ngathi bekungana-retracement yet, yabona, because manje obvious sibuka in hindsight, so ezinye izinto zizohluka as opposed to the timing ngisa-trade, yabona, like during the day. So ngithe ngifika la ngabona ukuthi okay, daily fair value gap, daily order block, another daily fair value gap. So ngivele ngabona ukuthi okay, i-price ngathi izimisela ukuya phezulu, mara ngivele ngabona nakhona ukuthi okay, i-price ingabuya kule weekly gap fill. So I had a bit of a bullish, but also i-price ingaya phansi kucala. So ngayenzani, ngaya ku-4 hour, because i-time frame le ibalulekile bafethu, especially if you are trading in the day, like uyaphuma uyangena uyaphuma on the same day, mele make sure ukuthi usebenzisa i-daily bias, yabona, because i-daily bias izokutshengisa kahle ukuthi i-price izomova kuyiphi i-direction the most. So okay, ngithe ngiyenza njalo, ngafika ku-4 hour, ngabona ukuthi okay, price iyenza i-retracement, ithephe kulento, ithephe ku-equilibrium, yabona, kune-equilibrium la price ithephe khona seya phezulu, yabona. So ngivele ngabona ukuthi okay, athi ngijampe ku-1 minute, ila ngiyenza iphutha khona, ngingena ku-1 minute, ngiceda ukungena ku-1 minute, ngathatha i-trade, kanti it was too early, yabona, it was too early ukuthi ngithathe i-trade. Yayenzani, yaya phezulu kancane, ngiceda lapha yaya phansi, yashaya i-stop. So into engiyifundile from le trade, because kumele uhlezi ufunde from, yabona, like izinto lezo ongazenzanga kahle and stuff, ukuthi khona ukupreserve i-capital. So into engiyibonile ukuthi angiyenzanga kahle ukuthi ngivele ngajaha kuya ku-1 minute, ngimele i-15 minute nakhona ne-1 minute ukuthi ne-1 hour ukuthi i-confirm, and then ngiye ku-15 minute, and then i-15 minute nayo i-confirm, ithephe le equilibrium 50%, and then ngiye ku-5 minute, no-5 minute inginikeza i-order block, break of structure, ne-equilibrium tap, and then ngiye ku-1 minute for i-entry, yabona. Nakhona ngiyimele ukuthi ingibonise lama-confluence lawa, order block, break of structure, fair value gap, yabona, izinto ezinjalo to the upside, and then ngithathe i-trade. So yeah, ngithe ngibona le nto le ukuthi ngiyenze wrong, ngavele nga-relax, ngamele ukuthi yenzeni i-1 hour ibuye ithephe kule 50% equilibrium. Kodwa usually ngithatha ama-trade kungale strategy, ngoba le strategy lesi ngisebenzisa mekungana ama-news, like ama-red news folder, yabona. So ngithe ngibona ukuthi okay, ngisebenzisa le strategy, kumele ngibe patient, ngisimele. If ayifiki kulama-price point, ngiya-relax, yabona. So that's what happened, ayifika kulama-price point, so bengibuke like i-1 hour chart almost the whole day until kufika boma-5, ngoba usually ngizama ukungena from 8:30 to like maybe leso sikhathi, and then that's it, yabona. so ngivele nga-relax-a mara as you can see I think i-prices uyaphezulu kusasa yabona, or overnight or during i-Asian session sobona khona. Kodwa ya bafethu ngiyabonga, ngibonga isikhathi senu, ngibonga mina